The amaretto sour doesn't need to be a guilty pleasure with this delicious version which uses maraschino liqueur and orange bitters to bring balance and complexity. So I'm going to go in with 60 ml of my amaretto, and then we're going to go in with 15 ml of your classic Luxardo maraschino. Then I do a full 30 ml of lemon juice. Then I'm just going to go in with a couple of dashes of orange bitters. I'm just using Reagan's, which is pretty classic on most bars. Whatever you have is fine. 15 ml of egg white. Then we're going to give it a little shake. And then we'll add some ice. Double strain into a coupe. Then I like to use a little bit of Angostura bitters. Just do a few little drops over the top, and then you can use a little skewer or toothpick to sort of swipe through the middle of those dots, and that'll give you nice little hearts. And then you can use that same skewer with a couple of cherries on it, and there we have an amaretto sour. Look, I don't often like to toot my own horn, but I do just think this is the nicest one that I've had, because it's still got that sweetness. Like, I just feel like if you want a whiskey sour, you can have that. This is very much its own thing. The Angostura on top just gives a really nice little whack of sort of woody spice and botanicals on the nose, and then you've got that real nuttiness coming through, but it dries out at the end because of the maraschino and those little couple of dashes of orange bitters. I reckon if it's been a while since you've given an amaretto sour a try, then give it a go again and see what you think. My version of an amaretto sour. So now you know.